Hey guys, what's good? It's Collywood here, and today's topic we're going to talk about apartment hunting and finding an apartment in Guangzhou, China. So I just recently moved, and I'm at my old place. The IE's cleaning it up. You know, didn't want to do all the cleaning myself. I had other things I had to work on, and I thought, you know what, I'd show a video about what you can expect to get in Guangzhou or that in China, and fill you in on the details of, you know, the living life, the apartment life, and the hunting. Kind of got the idea from this other subscriber, a guy I have a chat with. His name's Globik. I'm gonna leave his YouTube in the description. But this is just gonna be showing you the apartment here in Guangzhou while he went hunting for apartments in Shenzhen. You should go check out that video. Anyways, for now, let's get back to it. So, my landlord contacted us after our lease was about to expire and said that she really wanted to sell the place because she now lives in Canada, my home, but she lives in Vancouver. I'm from Toronto. And she wants to sell it just to have more money in the bank for her expenses in Canada. Don't think she works or anything, but like, okay, so I gotta find another place. So we found another place I'm gonna show you in a bit. But for now, let's just have a look at my old place right now. So let's go. So over here is the entrance, okay? Not spend too much time on that, but you come in through metal doors to a second wooden door, and then this is the type of view you get for the living room. See the big TV, and the thing I liked about this place is it reminded me of the 80s, the way the light fixtures were, the sofa, the glass table, which is very common in China anyways. And then off to the right here, we had our balcony with, you know, we had stuff hanging our clothes out here, hang at the top, Chinese style, the washing machine. Then let's head over. You walk over this way and you get more towards the hallway. There's a tons of lights over here too. Like, the one thing I also liked about this place, it was loaded with lights. Let's not waste the bills though right now. Here's the kitchen, washroom, bathroom, whatever you call it, our master bedroom, and then I call it the storage bedroom because we don't really use it. People came to visit, then we, you know, clean it up a little bit, but it mainly had all the extra crap we had. So anyways, the first bathroom my wife used. Just the Chinese style. You see toilet and shower all together. Then we have nice big mirror, sink. Then head over to the kitchen, turn the light on in here. Double top gas stove. Not as much counter space as I'd really like, because kitchen is my favorite thing to have. Okay size fridge, but then again it's still small, and storage space was okay. Now let's head over to the storage bedroom. So yeah, we barely use this. We just stored everything in here. But if someone came to sleep over, you know, they would stay in here. It's more of a kid's view, and we never really use this, like I said. My mom came to visit. She stayed in this place. And then finally, the main feature was the master bedroom. Here we go. Master bedroom. Really big. No one else I know in Guangzhou had a bedroom this big, especially in like this downtown city area. This house was around 100 square meters, or square feet, or I forget, square meters, square feet, one of those things. Good storage for the clothing. I mean, I have a lot of clothes and it gave me a lot of good storage. Okay, but that's not too important. The view from here was pretty bland. Let's see if we can get you the view. A lot of construction during the day, so it's very noisy because that building right there, brand new. The king size bed, And then finally, the ensuite washroom. This is the one I used. My wife likes her Chinese style and didn't really like the glass doors shower when I prefer that. Now, one thing I want to show you guys about a house and why I would never really buy property in China is we only were here for a year and the place started to deteriorate. It was freshly painted before we came in. You can see chipping there. You probably can't see, but mold growing all on the ceiling. Mold all on the walls and in the storage area here. This wall is coming apart here. Over here. And this is all due to the tropical climate. I mean, it's very humid in the summer times. Even in the winter time, there's rain and stuff. And the dirt there and the lights falling apart down here. So, I mean, I like this place. I love it. I had a good time here, but it's actually kind of a relief to be moving out. This place, total price, it ran us 5,000 RMB. That included the foreign registry tax you have to pay to get your local papers. I mean, if you buy rent a place here, you gotta register at the police station, and you have to, if you're doing it legally, you have to pay a tax for your foreigner living at the house, or maybe your landlord will. A lot of people choose not to register at the police station, but that technically isn't the legal way, but it avoids them the cost of paying the tax you're supposed to pay. So anyways, yeah, this is the place I've lived for a bit over a year. And you know what? Now we're gonna head over and I'm gonna show you the new place and talk a bit more. So let's get over there. Let's go. Okay, guys. All right. So now we're at my new place. In the doorway, got a little bit of an echo. Like I said, it took me about 2-3 months to find this place. And it's still not 100% what I wanted, but you know what? It got to the point where I just had to take something. Anyways, let's look. Let's go. Don't mind the mess. I just moved in about 2 days ago. Entranceway. That's where I put my keys. And you can put some shoes or house slippers, like I got the slides on right now. Then, okay, let's show an overview of the place first. This place is around 90 or 100 square meter, whatever they go by. It just seems a little bit smaller than the other place, but it's supposed to be around the same size. So here's my table with some snacks on it, some ketchup, chips. Found them. Happy with that. My supplements up there. Now let's go over to the kitchen. Let's turn on all the lights. Okay, so in the kitchen, I got my fridge. Now it's just a little smaller than the other one. Then on top, my oven, my kettle. I gotta have an oven. My microwave, toaster, rice cooker, double burner gas stove. There was like no storage here. So what I had to do is take my shoe rack, that IKEA Calyx unit, and I had to use that because I love my cooking. And I got, all my dry spices here, my liquids and sauces, my canned stuff and canned sauces at the bottom that aren't in the fridge. Some dry herbs right there. You got, thyme and like dill and parsley and stuff like that, oregano, and then some like breakfast stuff and powders, storage, some pots, pans, baking stuff. Got some laundry here because the laundry room's right there. Some boxed stuff and pastas and more baking. So anyways, this room right here, this is where the washer's at. Do my laundry here, and then I take it to dry at the other balcony. The other balcony is right over there, but we're not going to get to that first. My cats are chilling. This is my number one cat, my first cat for China. His name is Mao. There's a name before that, but I'm not gonna say it on film. If you know what the Chinese word or like the Korean word for that is, it's you take that word and then put Mao. So basically, it's translated to that cat or something Mao. You guys can figure that out. Leave a comment below if you figure it out. Then this is my other cat. Her name is Mars. I call her Marzi for a nickname, right, Mars? Anyways, enough about cats. I've been laying over here because the beds right now are way too hard for me. Anyways, it's games units and stuff like that. I gotta get the wireless set up. Internet guys coming. Over here, this place only has one washroom, unlike the other. The other had two. This is one, and something my wife and I wish we had two. We like our own, and there, you know, just the sink, and oh, my wife's underwear. But yeah, more traditional Chinese style washroom. And then the second bedroom is over here. So this will be like our storage, or if someone comes to sleep. It's a real big mess right now because we're still getting settled and organized. And I had to put this mirror over here because it was in our regular room, but my wife, with her Chinese superstitions, is terrified that at nighttime some boogeyman or some ghost is gonna come and grab her and pull her into the mirror. Yeah, that's the thing. So we had to take that out. And then this room here, storage a lot less as well. Like I said, not really less, just less space. Like, it's the way that the house is formatted and laid out, and it is nice. And oh look, here's the view. This view is actually pretty beautiful. There's the train down there. It's actually going by. This is the train that goes to Hong Kong, passenger train. It's going at a slow pace, but you know, I don't mind living near a train, and you can see the beautiful view. I hope the glass isn't obscuring it too much for you. Canton Tower I can see from here. Oh, I can see like Lida, Jijong Newtown over there. Like, I just realized that today. And then we got my wife's desk. Cat's following me around. The bed, it's like a box spring. It's not really like a mattress. It's not soft. So that's why I've been sleeping on the sofa over there. Anyways, let's go over. Oh wait, I forgot to say my massage chair. This is key, and my wife's treadmill gets used a little bit, not as much as I think it should for the money I paid for it. But okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Here we go. Supreme Concepts, Kermit, bootleg edition. Remember, bootleg is different than counterfeit. Anyways. Here we go. This is the sneaker collection. Now, a video is going to come out about my sneaker collection soon, in the next few days. I gotta really show you guys what happens to your sneaker collection living in a tropical climate like South Asia. And talk a bit about how I went from, like, you know, over 100 pairs of sneakers in Canada, and then coming to live here, how many I brought with me, what I still have, what I miss, and just like the whole background of my sneaker history and stuff like that, and my culture and the fashion industry. So anyways, I've been talking too much. One more time, this place is costing me around $4,900, including the foreigner registration tax. So only 100 RMB less a month. That's around 1,000 Canadian. Downtown, the old downtown China. Yeah, that's what you can expect to find if you search hard. If you don't search hard, you're going to pay either a lot more or get something with a lot less amenities and a lot less quality. And most people, when they first move here to China, they don't have as much shit as I have. I have a lot of shit. Like moving a treadmill and a massage chair and boxes of clothing and shoes and all this. It's quite a bit. Anyways, this is Hollywood. Checking out. Leave comments below. Show me what material and content you want me to, you know, bring to you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Easy.